This tutorial will teach you how to make a rainbow throw pillow using colorful leftover scraps. This tutorial is really simple and is great for beginners who want to start learning how to sew. To start with, sew the pillow slices together in groups of 3. Once sewn, press the seams and trim off that inner point that sticks out in the middle. Now that you have everything in groups of 3, you want to sew 2 groups of 3 together along the straight edge for the front of the pillow, and then repeat for the back. On the back, you want to leave a small gap along the seam. This will be used for turning and stuffing the pillow later on. With right sides together, line up the front and the back, and sew them together all the way around the perimeter. Trim the seam, and then turn the pillow to the right side through that little gap you left in the back. Now it's time to stuff the pillow. You can use whatever you want to stuff your pillow. I like to use leftover fabric scraps that are too small to use for anything else. But it does make the final pillow a little bit more lumpy than it otherwise would be. So if you don't like that, you can use polyfill or some other type of pillow stuffing material. After that, all you have to do is sew up the gap by hand sewing it, and you're finished. You have a round rainbow scrap pillow.